Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I brought the 4570 out today, Big Henry. I did a little kind of like a review on this little ammo case here. Guys, it holds 9 calibers in one little small rigid waterproof box. It makes the perfect ammo can to take to the range for the day. There's that waterproof, 9 different calibers. And we're gonna see what we can do with that 4570 on a target about 50-60 yards away. You guys didn't see my review on this on my 4570. Check it out. It's an awesome gun, beautiful walnut and brass. It's got a tube magazine here. A lot of fun to shoot, and man, it's deadly, guys. It is deadly. There's a 450 grain bear load. I'm gonna shoot out of this. I think it's 5+1 or 4+1, something like that. But it's a lot of fun to shoot. It packs a punch. But if you're looking for some knockdown power, guys, this 4570 is no joke. Very smooth, crisp lever action on this. There's no side gate. Like I said, it loads from the brass tube right here. And this baby is loud, guys. Let's try to get a kill shot here with this. It comes accurate right out of the box, so but it's loud. Let's go take a look, see how we did. Yeah, you definitely want some padding on there because there's not much of a buttstock on there. You feel it. But it's a lot of fun to shoot. I think I got a, looks like right in here. Yeah. Little low, but definitely a kill shot. You know, I did a review on this, and although I'm up at my 20-acre property up in northern Michigan, that's not the spot where my little cabin's at with all my trophies in there. I haven't been able to get back out there yet. I mean, it took a lot for me to just be able to get up today to get away to shoot, because trying to get the kids ready to get back to school and everything, there's just not a lot of time. But so my sights are a little off, but we'll get it together. But like I said, guys, this thing has does serious damage. It's the perfect brush gun. And if you're looking for some serious knockdown power, right here, 4570 Henry. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.